This video sponsored by Eduquest. Eduquest offers skill-based courses in digital marketing, stock market, coding and more. Find the link in the description below.
The struggle to find courses that truly speak your language, it's finally over. Welcome to Eduquest, where learning is made just for you. At Eduquest, we bring you a wide range of online courses, from career building programs to skill boosting masterclasses, all in your regional language. Because we believe language should never be a barrier to success. Our courses are tailor made after understanding what today's learners really need. So why wait? Start learning the smarter, simpler way only with Eduquest. Visit eduquest.courses and explore your next course today. And hey, don't miss out on our exciting offers and promotions.
Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how you can use slicer in Microsoft Excel tables and pivot tables. If you didn't see how to create pivot table from tables, you can see the link in the description box below or at the end cards to see the details. To convert this table into slicers, first I select the entire table and I go to insert tab, and from filters group I click on slicer. Here I select the region and I click on OK. Now all the regions will be displayed here, and by clicking particular region, the total sales value and its order will be displayed according to the salespersons. So for each clicks, the particular data will be displayed separately. For displaying two datas accordingly, you can simply click on control and select the region to display the particular data. For single region, you can simply click on the particular region. Similarly, in the pivot tables, you can simply click on any cells or the entire table, and I go to insert tab, and from filters I click on slicer. Now I click on both salesperson and region and I click on OK. Now both the tables will be displayed. Now for Lily, all the regions will be displayed and their total sales value and orders will be displayed. Now for north and west, the details are displayed. Now for Steve, the total sales and orders from the west region is displayed here. If I uncheck this table, from the west region, all the details are displayed. Here you should note that Ramesh has no values in orders or sales value. Now you can see for Rajesh from the west region. So if I click on Ramesh, there will be no data. So you should be careful in this. If I uncheck this salesperson, and all data will be displayed for other salespersons. If you use Microsoft Excel 2007 and 2010, you can use slicer only in pivot tables, and for 13, 16 and 19, you can use slicer in both tables and pivot tables to filter the particular data. So in this way, you can easily use slicer in both tables and pivot tables to filter the data.